Voiceovers are an essential part of most marketing strategies. But if you were not a native speaker, your advert will definitely sound awkward. Furthermore, not all voices are made for voiceovers. It takes a smooth and clear voice to create one. Newscastervocalizer has changed all these and made it possible for anyone to make creative videos with natural videos that will attract the attention of the targeted audience. This is the first kind of app in the market made of high-quality technology. It comes with a natural voiceover that is generated uniquely. The app has opened up the ability for anyone to create newscaster videos. Why use Newscastervocalizer? Helps you drive traffic and increase views. Newscastervocalizer allows you to create a voiceover of your choice. Being the only one of its kind, it will attract many people, leading to increased views, which means more visitors to your website. The groundbreaking voiceover app generates a realistic sound similar to the human voice. It has all the latest neural voices by Amazon Poly Newscaster. You can compete with YouTube stars and media giants with your high-quality videos combined with a perfect voice. The voice is engaging and comes with the neural text-to-speech ability by Amazon. Marketing has never been easier than this. Free voiceovers. The app gives you natural voices, and no one can tell humans did not record them. This means you do not have to pay actors to do them, as you create the videos with the voiceovers by yourself. All you need is come up with the script, and the app will do the rest for you. Commercial license. The Newscastervocalizer comes with a commercial license. This means you not only make your voiceovers but can also do it for clients. You end up making profits which keep 100% by selling voiceovers to clients looking for affordable services, as long as you have the app. Some of the platforms where you can find clients include Fiverr and Freelancer.com. It's a revolutionary neural technology. The Newscastervocalizer brings revolutionary that changes speech delivery. The quality is excellent, and it offers a natural and easy way to put your points across. Your videos will take the message home better and exactly how you want it done than trusting a human voice to do it. The style. It is easy for your followers and prospects to differentiate a narration, sportscast and newscast, and much more. A human spokesperson can quickly adopt the style needed, and it helps to put your message across. This is what has made popular websites such as Mashable, BBC, CNN, Fox News, and many others so successful. They use simple videos but deliver them using the right style. Now, this is what the Newscastervocalizer delivers. You create videos with the style you want and with high quality. Cloud-based. The Newscastervocalizer does not require you to install it on your phone or computer. You simply sign in. It is an easy app to use, and you end up with great voices wherever you may be, as long as you can access the internet with your smart gadget. Does it work? Newscastervocalizer doesn't give empty promises. It works and allows you to export the voiceover and use them in videos. The voiceovers can be stored in Google Drive, Dropbox, or Amazon S3, or you simply save it in your device. From the full range of natural-sounding female and male voices, you will quickly find one that suits your project. The vocals are natural, and pronunciation of words perfect. They make excellent for explainer videos, sales letters, video reviews, video ads, and much more. What's more, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means when buying this product, your money is safe. You have 30 days of trying out the software, and if it doesn't work for you, you are free to ask for a refund. You are 100% risk-free because the developer of this amazing software will not hold onto your money if you are unhappy with their product. They will also not question you. A total refund is given. Conclusion. Sometimes being a native or a talented actor is not enough to make voiceovers. It takes more to create those top-notch videos. You must have ample time, which is also the most impossible because there's so many productive things you can do with your time. But this software tool helps you make equally high-quality voiceovers while saving your time. Non-natives benefit the most because they can make videos in various languages and maximize views along with traffic to their website. Some of the languages that the app can use include English, Indian, Mandarin, Chinese, Dutch, Danish, Spanish, Russian, Welsh, Turkish, Swedish, Polish, Portuguese, French, German, Japanese, Icelandic, Norwegian, and Korean. Select your preferred language and get started with your video project.